Hello, my lovely family and friends. It is Samira right here today. Actually, before today, I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. I'm also very, very, very well. Yeah. And today I want to share with you how you can make this smoky Suya pork kebab. This one is a banger. It's a hit everywhere, every time I make it, I tell you. And you're going to love it. The process is so simple and it's amazing. So join me and let me show you how. Right, so I have my meat here. So I'm using pork, okay? So I'm using a part of the pork. I don't know if it's a pork shoulder, whether it's a pork, I don't know, loins, but a pork somewhere. Any part of the pork will do, or any cut of the pork will do. Okay, if you don't like pork, you can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use whatever meat that you have available or you like. I'm going to cut it into the sizes that I want. You can make it very tiny or you make it very big or you make it, but I would advise that it is like, bite size. When someone, takes one, they can chew just one piece in their mouth. So that's what we call bite size, or we should call it chew size. All right, so I'm transferring it into a bowl and then we are going to add our ingredients to marinate it nicely. So I have my green chili mix. I've added the Suya spice. This is black pepper. I'm going in some paprika to give it nice color. Okay, and then I'll add some soy sauce to it. This is soy sauce to give it some nice seasoning taste, salt taste, and a little bit of soy taste and one thing American. Yeah, I'm not going to cover it. Okay, that's why I added it. That's what I said. I'm not going to cover it and let it marinate for a little bit. Okay, we are going to let it marinate for a little bit. Marinate is the ingredients. Marinate is the process of the ingredients going into the meat. There's a difference. So I'm now going to air fry it as usual. Air frying. Yeah, I'm going to give it air fry first. Actually, I don't think I air fried it. I actually roasted it in the oven because I have that function. So I am sure that's what I did. Exactly. So you can't see the light very well, but I put it on roast. Okay, so that's what I did. So you can put it in your oven to roast it in your oven or to bake it in your oven, whatever. You can even fry it if that's what you want. Yeah. So because it's a lot, it's not just one layer in the air fryer. No, I have to go in to stir it so that the ones at the bottom will come on top and the ones on top will go. To give it a nice a stir so that every part of or all the pieces of the meat cooks nicely in there, because the smoking part is not cooking. It is just getting the smoke into the meat. That's what I'm going to do. So I have this big wok I use for my other things, and then I'm going to be transferring everything here into my wok. So if you have a frying pan or you have a big frying pan or a big pot, something that you can cover. So here I have kitchen foil. I've taken a kitchen foil and I'm folding it. I'm molding it into a bowl. A one bowl. Small what I've done. Yeah. And then I'm going to put in some charcoal. Okay. You put in some bidie Accra and then I'll light it. So what I did is I poured oil on it. That is the oil I'm spraying on it. And now I'll light it with the lighter. Light it up, and then it will the oil will make it smoke. So once you light it up, you can use anything to light it. If you kerosene there to taste kerosene. So oil is always best. And I'm covering it, and there is a hole there, a steam hole. That's what I've used a kitchen foil to, and that is the smoke. So you let it stay there as long as you want. Okay. In the meantime, I have to soak my skewers in hot water. Okay. You can do it in cold water, but then I didn't do it early, so hot water will make it nice and soft. So we want it bendable, malleable. Malleable is not the word, but flexible, yes, so that it doesn't break when you start skewing it in, right? So now it's ready. All that I have to do is just to skewer the meat. Okay, the meat, you add your vegetables, meat, whatever, onion, garlic. Hey, I brought the garlic here too. So onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, whichever. You can just use onions. Use onions or anything you want, any vegetable, nicely. I'm now going to pop it on this process. I thought say short to say what. Yeah, short. It's just that because I'm talking on my brain. If you are watched to this level, type my bread. Type my bread, okay? Because my bread. So this is it. I'm now going to give it a nice, a friend is saying, blow. So you see, it didn't go into the oven. I used that blow torch, to char it a bit, give it a bit more charring. Just say, then you can get more flavor from it. So that is what I've just done for you. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and I hope you can try it because it's so good. It smells like smokiness and everything is really good. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.